Hi YouTube friends, it's Lee here. Welcome back to my channel and a big welcome and hello to anyone who might be here for the first time. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to do another Margarete Miller challenge. So this is week 12. So the prompts for week 12 are something with a spiral shape. So I'm going to use this piece of a gel print, a piece of decorative paper, a fragment of a cookbook page or a recipe, a a vehicle, and something fancy to wear. So I've chosen an earring that I cut out of a fashion magazine, and I'm not using the bonus today. I'm doing this in my composition book again, so this is just a standard piece of paper that I'm using really, and so I want to strengthen that up a bit. So I'm going to put down a foundation of some scraps of this is pretty much like a masterboard that I've pulled apart there, and some other papers, just to add some strength to that page and also to fill in the outside, because it's a well, it's not A4, it's we used to call it quarto size page, but it's a composition book. And I think last week or last one I called it a comprehension book, and then I was thinking that doesn't sound right. So yeah, it's a composition book. So you know the size, it's about, I don't know, 8 by 10, something like that. But anyway, I just wanted to get something around the edge of it, so I'll put that down, and then I'll put my collage on top of that.